Hey guys, Tony Maritato here, licensed physical therapist. Today I'm unboxing the CF1 from CryoForce. I'm going to show you what comes with this system. But before I do, I want to give you guys a little bit of background. So this is a continuous cold therapy system. If you've had a knee replacement, ACL reconstruction, even just a meniscus debridement, having the access to cold therapy is one of the best ways to manage pain, reduce swelling, improve function without additional pharmaceuticals. But the background behind any of these three devices, this is the CF1, this is the CF3, and of course the CF2. These were founded by an individual who had ACL reconstruction. In fact, he had two, and he developed a system that he wished he had access to when he was going through his rehab process. He wanted something that was quiet. He wanted something that was easy to set up and something that was practical for use in the home setting. So each one of these three devices have different features. I'm going to do a different video for each, but I just wanted to start with the basic CF1 unit, show you what it comes with, and then in a separate video, I'll show you how to use it. It is an insulated cooler-like system. There is a zipper that wraps around. When you first take this unit out of the box, there are a couple components that I want to show you. First, you have the actual cold therapy applicator. This is the part that goes over the knee itself. There's a felt cover on the top side, and then of course the plastic where the cold water circulates through. This is the side that goes facing the knee. We've got a double hose system. This attaches into the top of the pump applicator. So it's super simple. There's an audible click. I'm not sure if you'll be able to hear it. That was it. It's quiet. There's a one button release that when I push it, this comes off. In order to set up the unit for home use, you plug in the dual action hose. You take the power cord. It plugs in on the front side. And then of course, you have your standard. This is the AC adapter that plugs into any wall outlet in your house. You have the hand control. The hand control is super convenient. You've got the ability to control the flow rate. So there's high, medium, and low flow. That means how much water is being pumped through the system. You have a timer set up. Now it has 10-minute, 20-minute, 30-minute defaults. You can do a non-stop, which is continuous. You turn it off when you're ready for it to be finished. You've got the timer and you've got a loop setting. And then of course there's a standard on and off button. Very easy hand controller. But the real magic happens with the actual cold therapy applicator. One of the things that I love about CryoForce is their unique Velcro. This is a very comfortable, gentle, it's not pokey, it's not aggressive. It's easy to affix and easy to remove. I'll show you how these three straps work when you're wrapping the cold therapy applicator around the surface of the knee joint. But that's it. Everything is less than 4 pounds, so it's extremely easy to use. More importantly, it's extremely easy to store. And when I'm storing a unit like this, what I would typically do, I roll up the hose, roll up the applicator, set it inside, take the power unit, it will store inside as well. The dual action zipper can close from either side, and now you have everything self-contained. This can go on a shelf, put it out of the way until the next time you need to apply cold therapy. Cold therapy in my physical therapy clinic, as I mentioned, it's amazing for post-surgical care, but it's also amazing for simple osteoarthritis. You know, I'm a 50-year-old, I'm in the clinic, I'm on my feet all day, I like to stay active, I like to jog, I like to lift weights. Sometimes when my knee swells up, I'm looking for a little cold therapy to help manage the acute inflammation that happens when I overdo it. Pulling out a device like this is one of the easiest ways. So if you want to check out the CF1 from CryoForce, go find it on Amazon. And in the meantime, I'm going to record a video on the CF2 and the CF3. I'll see you on those videos.